Hi, my name's Tim and I'm a paleontologist. That means that, among other things, I like to look at and learn about fossils. Fossils are the altered remains of living things from a long time ago, like insects, dinosaurs, and even plants. Fossils tell us a lot about how animals and plants have evolved over millions and millions of years. At Melbourne Museum, we have made an outdoor gallery called the Gandel Gondwana Garden. The garden recreates different ecosystems that have existed in Australia over the last 120 million years. We've used fossils to help choose some plants that look a lot like vegetation that existed when dinosaurs were around. This fossil is Cladophlebus, which is an ancient relative of lots of Australian ferns. This mummified leaf belonged to one of the first ancestors of the silver banksia. Fossils have helped us to recreate the past in the present, and it helps us to teach people about how amazing Australian plants have always been.
Birds! Hi, I'm Marcus, and I love birds. Did you know that even though dinosaurs have been extinct for millions of years, some of their families still live amongst us? I'm talking about birds. Introducing the most dinosaur-looking bird ever, the cassowary. Whoa, did you hear that? Sounded like a dinosaur. That's the call of a cassowary. It's Australia's heaviest bird, and like a lot of dinosaurs, it can't fly. It has scaly feet, long sharp claws, and a horn-like helmet on its head called a casque. The cassowary is also known as the rainforest gardener. This is because it eats fruits, and when it poops them out, the seeds drop onto the rainforest floor. It fertilises the seed, which helps it grow into more healthy plants. And because cassowaries travel long distances, they drop their perfect poop packages all over the rainforest, creating lots and lots of new plants everywhere. So thanks for helping our environment, cassowary. You sure are making your dinosaur ancestors super proud.
Junior Gardeners! Hi, I'm Zoe and this is Abby, my sister. We have chickens. Chickens are fast, fun and cheeky, and they're believed to be the closest living relative to the T-Rex. Roar! They're free range and we feed them every morning. Chucky! I know when the chickens are awake because they usually fly over the fence and like to scratch and talk right under my window. After their breakfast, it's time to see who's laid some eggs. You can tell which one's laying by looking at their combs on top of their heads. If their comb is big and red, you know that they're laying some eggs. All the chooks lay different coloured eggs depending on their breed. Goldie is our golden-laced Wyandotte. She literally lays us golden eggs. When it's time to go back to their coop, they eat a trail of worms and cheese back to their beds. Until morning when they escape and they make noise right outside my window. If you want some super cool pets that can walk, fly and never stop making noise, you should definitely get yourself some chickens.